English quiz. Can you pass this test? Test your grammar, vocabulary, and comprehension skills. English is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world. And whether you're a native speaker or learning it as a second language, testing your skills regularly is a great way to improve. This article brings you a fun and challenging English quiz that covers grammar, vocabulary, idioms, and reading comprehension. Are you ready to find out how strong your English really is? Let's dive in. Why take an English quiz? English is used in education, business, travel, and international communication. Having a strong command of the language can open many doors in life. But even if you speak English every day, there might be areas where you can improve. Quizzes help identify those weak spots and turn learning into a fun game. Section 1. Grammar Challenge 1. Choose the correct sentence. A. She don't like apples. B. She doesn't likes apples. C. She doesn't like apples. D. She don't likes apples. Answer: C. She doesn't like apples. Explanation. Doesn't is used with the base form of the verb. Like is the base form. 2. Which sentence uses the correct tense? A. I am working here since 2020. B. I have been working here since 2020. C. I worked here since 2020. D. I am worked here since 2020. Answer: B. I have been working here since 2020. Explanation. Have been working is the present perfect continuous tense used for actions that began in the past and continue into the present. Section 2. Vocabulary Test 1. What does the word meticulous mean? A. Careless. B. Confused. C. Very careful and precise. D. Angry. Answer: C. Very careful and precise. 2. Choose the word that best fits in the sentence. The scientist was praised for her blank research. A. Vague. B. Thorough. C. Lazy. D. Reckless. Answer: B. Thorough. Section 3. Idioms and phrases 1. What does beat around the bush mean? A. Hit a tree. B. Avoid saying something directly. C. Hunt for birds. D. Run in circles. Answer: B. Avoid saying something directly. 2. Choose the correct meaning of the idiom. Once in a blue moon. A. Every night. B. Frequently. C. Rarely. D. Never. Answer: C. Rarely. Section 4. Reading comprehension. Read the passage and answer the questions. John had always dreamed of becoming a pilot. As a child, he would spend hours watching planes take off and land at the nearby airport. After years of studying and training, his dream finally came true when he was hired by a major airline. Q1. What was John's dream? A. Becoming a doctor. B. Becoming a pilot. C. Working at an airport shop. D. Flying kites. Answer: B. Becoming a pilot. Q2. How did John prepare for his dream? A. By traveling the world. B. By watching planes only. C. By studying and training. D. By working in a restaurant. Answer: C. By studying and training. Section 5. Spot the error. 1. Identify the error in the sentence, she go to school every day. Correction: she goes to school every day. 2. Identify the mistake. He don't know the answer. Correction: he doesn't know the answer. Quiz summary. How did you do? 8 to 10 correct. Excellent. Your English skills are strong. 5 to 7 correct. Good job. But there's room for improvement. Below 5. Don't worry. Take this as a learning opportunity. Tips to improve your English. 1. Read daily, books, articles, or even English newspapers. 2. Watch movies or shows in English, with subtitles if needed. 3. Practice speaking and writing. Try journaling or joining language exchange groups. 4. Use language apps, Duolingo, Memrise, or Babbel can help a lot. 5. Take more quizzes, just like this one, to test yourself regularly. Final thoughts. Learning English is a journey, not a destination. Regular practice and quizzes like this can help you stay sharp and confident in your skills. So, did you pass the test? Share your score with friends and challenge them too. English quiz. Can you pass this test? Uncover the true level of your English with this interactive challenge. Have you ever wondered how good your English truly is? Maybe you speak fluently with friends, or perhaps you write emails daily for work. But can you really say you've mastered the language? English is full of hidden traps, subtle grammar rules, confusing phrasal verbs, idioms that make no literal sense, and vocabulary that changes meaning depending on context. This article isn't just another quiz. It's a journey, a full diagnostic tool to analyze where you stand in your English learning path and how you can go further. Let's get started. Part 1. The Real-Life Grammar Lab. Grammar isn't just about remembering rules. It's about being able to apply them naturally in everyday situations. Scenario 1. You're at a restaurant. The waiter says, "Would you like anything else?" You reply, A. "No, I don't want nothing." B. "No, I don't want anything." C. "No, I doesn't want nothing." D. "No, I didn't wanted anything." Correct answer, B. No, I don't want anything. Explanation. Double negatives like don't want nothing or incorrect in standard English. Scenario 2. Choose the correctly punctuated sentence. A. It's raining and the dogs outside are barking. B. It's raining and the dogs outside are barking. C. It's raining and the dogs outside are barking. D. It's raining and the dogs outside bark. Correct answer, B. It's raining and the dogs outside are barking. Part 2. Vocabulary maze. Can you pick the right word? Context is king when it comes to vocabulary. The same word can mean many things in different situations. Let's see how well you can navigate this maze. 1. Fill in the blank. After running for an hour, she was completely underscore. A. Exhaust. B. Exhausted. C. Exhausting. D. Exhausts. Answer, B. Exhausted. 2. Which word means the ability to guess what will happen in the future? A. Foresight. B. Hindsight. C. Vision. D. Perception. Answer, A. Foresight. 3. What does elated mean? A. Angry. B. Happy. C. Bored. D. Surprised. Answer, B. Happy. Part 3. Idioms that make no sense until you know them. English idioms are the heartbeat of casual conversation, and knowing them can make your language sound natural and fluent. 1. To spill the beans means A. Make a mess. B. Reveal a secret. C. Cook dinner. D. Waste time. Answer, B. Reveal a secret. 2. Hit the sack means A. Go to bed. B. Fight someone. C. Destroy something. D. Buy a sack. Answer, A. Go to bed. 3. Under the weather refers to someone who is A. Outdoors. B. Ill. C. Sad. D. Caught in the rain. Answer, B. Ill. Part 4. Listening in your mind. Imagination comprehension. Imagine this story in your head. Maya entered the empty library. The sound of her footsteps echoed across the room. She opened an old book. Its pages yellowed with time. Suddenly, a handwritten note fell out. It said, "Meet me at midnight." Questions. 1. Where is Maya? Answer. In a library. 2. What did she find inside the book? Answer. A handwritten note. 3. What did the note say? Answer. Meet me at midnight. Part 5. The emotional side of language. True language mastery isn't just about logic. It's also emotional. It's about feeling the tone, understanding humor, and sensing sarcasm or politeness. Read the dialogue. A. Wow, your room is so clean. B. Thanks. I spent hours cleaning the mess you left behind. Q. What is the tone of B's reply? A. Polite. B. Angry. C. Sarcastic. D. Grateful. Answer. C. Sarcastic. Part 6. Hidden meanings and cultural hints. English is a global language, but many phrases reflect cultural backgrounds. Understanding this can give you the edge. Example: when someone says, "It's raining cats and dogs," they don't mean animals are falling from the sky. They mean, answer, "It's raining heavily." Another example: if someone says, "Let's table this discussion," in British English, it means start the discussion, while in American English it means postpone the discussion. Scoring guide: 18 to 20 correct. You are an English ninja. Fluent, confident, and nuanced. 14 to 17 correct. Very strong. Keep polishing, and you'll soon be flawless. 9 to 13 correct. You're on the right track. Review your weak points. Below 9. Time to focus more on practice. Watch English content, read aloud, and use apps to reinforce learning. How to keep getting better. 1. Watch movies without subtitles. Eventually, start with subtitles, then remove them to challenge your listening. 2. Read English novels or short stories. Begin with simple ones and gradually move to classics. 3. Speak with AI or language partners. Practice is key. 4. Write a daily journal in English. Focus on correct structure and new vocabulary. 5. Listen to English podcasts. Choose topics you enjoy, and you'll learn passively. Conclusion: the quiz is only the beginning. Mastering English is not about passing one test. It's a continuous adventure full of surprises, joy, and discovery. This quiz has tested not just your knowledge, but your depth of understanding, and maybe even your creativity and emotions too. So, can you pass the test? More importantly, can you grow from the results? If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Let us know in the comments which daily conversation topic you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.